steak pan sheet dinner, or how about you can say bake sheet dinners. Two and a half pounds of a top round steak piece, and we have baby potatoes right here, we have asparagus, and we have some cherry tomatoes in here. So let's make this delicious recipe in our bake sheet, right? 15 minutes we'll prepare this recipe, and in 30 minutes it will be ready in our oven. So first thing, we will start with the little potatoes. So just slice them from the middle. So we are making at least enough meal, at least for 4 people. These are 1.5 lbs, so 1.5 lbs of our baby yellow potato. Season this, right? I'm using sea salt for all this. Just add half tablespoon of sea salt, a little bit of garlic powder on top of this. Just sprinkle it, it's all okay. Use butter spray, avocado spray, whatever oil you prefer, use that, and just spray some of it right on top of it. So I'm taking the tomatoes, which are in different colors. So we have some of them green, some of them yellow. Let me give it a quick rinse. So cherry tomatoes have been rinsed. This is at least 1 pound of cherry tomatoes. We'll take same butter spray, just spray some at the base, and we will put this right here, right next to our potatoes. Man, this butter spray smells so good. So asparagus has been rinsed. We will season these guys now a little bit. We'll take a black pepper, quarter spoon of black pepper, onion powder, quarter spoon. We'll add quarter spoon of sea salt. Yes sir, the butter spray. All right, give it a quick mix. Wonderful. Look at this. And we will land this right here, right next to our cherry tomatoes and potatoes. Let's season our beautiful top round steak. Yum. 2.5 pounds of top round steak. Let's start with the black pepper. Half tablespoon this side, half tablespoon on this side. This is crushed coriander, half tablespoon. This is a baked recipe, so you have to make sure you put the ingredients right to it. Half tablespoon onion powder, half tablespoon, and half tablespoon garlic powder, half, and another half. Sea salt, half tablespoon on this side and half tablespoon on this side as well. Take at least 1 whole tablespoon of virgin olive oil and just put it on each side. So 1 and 1. That's enough. So easy, perfect, done. So when you're using steak for this steak pan sheet dinner, make sure your steak is not thicker than 2 inches. You land this beautiful steak right here, right next to our veggies. Alright guys, this is the moment of truth. You can listen to the sound, right? So our oven is ready at 400 degrees. Let's grab this and put this in the oven for 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, you know what we have to do? We will just take a tongue and we will flip our steak. All these beautiful colors, right? This will be our perfect dinner. Right there you go, right here. Let's flip our steak. Just mix up our vegetables. Look at this steam. Yum, huh? Look at these potatoes. Everything is looking perfectly fine right here. Okay, here you go. We have flipped it. Let's put this beautiful baby back in our oven at least for 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Steak pan sheet dinner in the oven. So this is how it looks. Right, top round steak, guys. Let's put this on our chopping. Look at this, okay? This is it. Wonderfully done. Beautiful pieces. It's juicy. Oh my god. If you want to go by the temperature, right, put your thermometer in the steak. It should reach above 125. So let's put this right here, right back. There you go. It's actually on the tender side. Your whole steak dinner is right here. Steak pan sheet dinner. Beautiful steak sheet pan dinner in your oven under 50 minutes. Right here, guys, we have so much variety. We have potatoes as a carb, we have a protein, the top round steak, we have some asparagus, and we have tomatoes, the cherry one. Right, let's go. Let me do the bare hand. Top round steak, cherry tomato, potato, and this. If you want to cook your steak more, right, some people like it well done, right? So cook it at least for 1 hour straight. After 30 minutes, flip your steak, roast your more veggies. If you want to be extra medium rare, do 30 minutes. I put it at least for around about 40 minutes. So it's right there in the middle, but it's delicious, man. I'll see you guys on the next one. Make this delicious steak pan sheet dinner. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now. And this whole thing, it cost me around $30. So why not? Let's go. Let's do this. For 4 people, $30. Why not?